On the outside of the house, I'm going to create a space between plants that don't require much maintenance. To do this, I placed several layers of cardboard, making a semicircular design in that area. Then, I started placing brown mulch around the plants, keeping the design that I had originally made. In the cardboard with mulch. For this, I use it in old bags so that it won't be completely covered, covering around the plants that had already been planted there. Then I started adding red mulch to visually create more design. I really love the color combination. It's so nice and looks so beautiful. There are other colors on the market that may coordinate it better with the color you had in your garden. Then I started polishing the mulch and cardboard to keep a semicircle as even as possible. This is another example done in the same way, making a path in the garden. In that case, I placed some red tiles that coordinate with the brown mulch. The possibilities are many. It all depends on your imagination. And here he is, Flaquito, my partner in all the projects I did in the garden. My happy boy.